muthuri uria wendagia ire tu goko East Africa riu ni ahitithirio
inde akoro ahitithio like na wangu kuri Uganda
President Yoweri Kaguta Museveni
yes amekula kiapo
of the Republic of Uganda oh yes the land of the cranes mari nyoni yo yetagwo crane it is a very iconic bird kuma kuria Uganda
ne akoragwo icoretwo ndege-ini cia Uganda
yes even their football team is called the Uganda Cranes yes nyoni thakawe is predominant in Uganda na bururi ucio Uganda ri ni uko tukonie muno
no bururi ucio ni utukonie maundu maingi muno
yes
bere they are immediate neighbors
absolutely they are within the East African community yes
andu acio twathagwo ni muthungu hamwe
yes na mathirwo ni Germany ni Tanzania
yes
they are in the Commonwealth, they are part of the British colonies yes
ona undu tari wekirwo mukonde ni utiwekaga tatwa moko keirie muhaka
magioka gwitu ka tugithi kwao
keigaingira kwao but that is disputed is neither here nor there
president wari hoi na kidui ni kiagucagie ni ugite kwao gukinyete Naivasha
ucio ni karethaga nake ni angiarutungie
etagwo Idi Amin dada
ile ugite makinyete Naivasha
augite the Republic of Uganda extends all the way to Naivasha and we are going to reclaim
kuu ni utuhatika muno
aisema Kenyatta kido sasa wewe hiyo mambo uko naye ni mambo ya ufudhi na nchi yetu hii iko mahali ambayo mpaka iko wewe unasongesha mpaka ukiwa kama nani? Arambi
Marisa
Niyokie ona there is even a footage I was watching ya msemani ucio wao kakwiro wewe sasa usifikirie ukisha kwisha refuka wewe utatuambia nchi yetu hii na wananchi hawa na nchi yetu tukufu haijafika hapo wewe unatuambia na ukileta mambo hiyo sisi tutakukanyaga ndaguragua
kiona bare ode hota
amwina njira nguhi atiriri cokia muceneku
kwanyu
na kuma hindi oti andu mwaka wekire atia
wathongirio
na I think horo cio riu ni twaiguanire to kindu twagianire thutha uyu ungiri ni gacigirira keo kaigana gakuniko
migingo
gathamaki na gakitwo ibanda gwende Museveni ni tete kuroria mata Susana Island is part of the territory of Uganda na makara thigari ithu tukara citu so they are also our biggest trading partners you told me
yes Kenya's biggest trading partner is Uganda.
Umenya Uganda is actually a landlocked country matire access yake
ya iria
na ni atetie kaona go misión no si arauka tondu ni ugite gutike ikaroguo
tuthieketwo iria
indo cito ciothe ciukagira kwanyu
riu ni ukorwo makirira landlocked ni indo nyingi cia guka na iria ri cikihetukagira kundu guku
neguo
uguo ni maundu mao na maitu ri ni andu matukonie muno
neguo yakitithirio na dauma na speech nyandike
acha he has not written speech
this is his 40th year of rule
yes wathani ni miaka 40 no muthi riu ni ehitithio wathana miaka ingi 5
koguo guthie ginya 45
yes until 2031
yes
akiona mundu uria ugutwarithagia igongona na mbere ri ni agirire kabunyonjo ugatiriri after riu Museveni akiria kiapo we now have a new president.
Let us celebrate our new president, the young man with a lot of energy. Mwamuko mpya Uganda.
A new president.
Bobi Wine ni athire kihitithio.
Ndinamuona ngirorera ni ngororagira ndinaona Bobi Wine handu.
Oh, if he was there someone would have picked him up.
No uko ni kamera ria ya kuria ngwiroragire itana kimuya dio I'm not sure.
Ungirora shirika cia kuu ri no ae kumuona.
Actually ngororagira live page ine ya Deputy President Proffessor Kindiki.
Basi ndakiuma kuo iyo nege muoire. Yes. Of course this tugetumire fire say fire.
No rugamirire Kenya.
Nyahairu hakwaria.
Asa.
Niki.
Ageni ni maingihire muno.
Uria ne uma kuo. Tata.
Mama Samia uma kuo.
Ni airu hakwaria.
Na heo hakwaria no by the time riu ndatiga president akiaria.
Rodo no amahe.
No ndaiwa handu agweta we Mama Samia na agathiriria Tanzania. Kagame is not there. Kagame ni Ruto wa absent.
Ni mama tumaneire.
Acio no me guku Nairobi.
Me guku. Mabe mamure zai na guku.
Mabe mamure cia Faranja.
Cia Faranja ningi ni uri hitukia.
Zai. Tidekaga haria twikorere rai. No ni ndaba gutumanira.
Reke tombe tu aure uyu. Tugo kuturario ge Faranja. Nekuria.
We ni arathi ugu agatuthomera i. No ithuĩ nĩ indo tũbatie.
Nĩ athi ũgatwĩra tũkire i. Nĩ athi tũtumie mĩnua. We no thiaga ina mbere tũtũmũrĩa. Tũtũma Ibrahim. Kĩndĩ gĩtagwo Abraham.
Abraham, Professor Abraham.
Yes.
Nĩwe ũrũgamĩrĩire Kenya. Na mũnene wake.
Yes.
And na ndona mũgathe Uhuru wa Kenyatta.
And you have told me he has been given a heavy applause.
Oh, actually hari ageni othe aria matamburukio kuma mabũrũri matiganĩte ma Afrika ri. Mũgathe Uhuru wa Kenyatta nĩ akũngũĩrwo na njĩra nene.
I know that gentleman is loved across. He actually on a real president, there was very warm accolade between him and the other presidents. No gĩcokio ririkane nginya Museveni no mweire na ithe wa Uhuru batuko mau.
Yes. No marakiri no makioine na Uhuru miaka mingi.
And the people of Uganda also know Uhuru Kenyatta. Is a Kenyatta. On a desert they know. You remember even the Madiko Magufuli.
Yes.
Uhuru was stood out. Yes.
Na Korea, Uganda, he also stood out.
Batari maratheria wega kana Ibrahim.
Tita mari maramunyita wega. Tondu riu ma deputy president make introduce, I think introduce ure wa keri. Aga Uganda tita mari maratheria Prof Fio.
Yes. Ningi no maya kumutheria tondu riri. Umenye ku vice president wa order riu ye. Riu magacio na guku no ki?
No taguo.
Goko na forma ni arenyeria thirikari.
Na njira nene.
Tikara sitting. XDP. Uganda vice president. Wanakuja vice president ya appearances ya Uganda ri. Ni nyinyi gukira mundu uri rugama thutha wa Museveni. Ona mahinya.
Kuria ni akoragwo muthieke.
Riu no mae ukiona deputy president na Kagame atumanie prime minister. No mae kuona.
No Kagame atumanire deputy prime minister.
Deputy. Okay.
No ndaheshimia akiuma kuo wa Burundi.
No ni mae tu handu twarie. To nake oka guku ri tumuhe aitha. We akirio muthuri wa muthigi.
Actually no arie. Aigua tano gariu etema president ta meri marie.
Before I forget, we have some visitors. I think I shall start with the former and then I go to sitting. So, Uhuru, come and say hi. Uganda people are your people. Yes, and then call what's the name of this gentleman?
Professor Kindiki.
So he is
a deputy president
of Kasungu.
Yes.
All right. Then after that, then we shall have the professor speak. It's a good thing when you have a professor who is a deputy. It's good. Then after that, we shall call. Before that, I shall then call the deputy. Kagame send who?
The deputy prime minister.
That one shall stand up and wave. Then we shall have Mama Shamia. She say a few words, and then after that we will be free to go. There is lunch.
Kana ke hori ere agitago Salva Kiir.
Kana da yeshimiye. Ita rakena leko.
Rakekuo.
Azokero. Excuse me, Your Excellency. Even the president of Somalia is also here.
You're a president of Somalia.
So Mahmoud is president number what?
No, I come.
This is the 10th. That will paint to me in bad light because I have been around for 40 years. Anyway, Uganda, oh yeah,
they have a new president.
We wish them, although they have men a president wako na muamko mpya, men akao gwethurira
na gwiciarira
tikara kene maru magirwo
na magethurire January
na sio uchawi
ni maombi.
Kongole Uganda, Kongole. Right from the days of the Kabaka Mutesa to the new age Uganda. We wish you all the best.
All the best, Uganda.
As you are very close neighbors here in Jamhuri yetu ya Kenya.
You are good neighbors from the east.
Oh yes. No gese are muthuri urehe kiraoni. Asante sana.
Eda ya 52.